Hello, it's Eric from the Arizona Association for the Education of Young Children. We are facing some uncertain times now, but it's important to remember that we are all in this together. You may have heard that the schools across Arizona have been closed, and many early learning providers have questions about how this will impact their services and what to do next in the face of coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. While we don't have all the answers, we have compiled some resources from AZToolkit that we hope might be helpful. We've updated AZToolkit with important interim guidance directly from the Centers for Disease Control and the World Health Organization, specifically for childcare programs to help plan, prepare for, and respond to COVID-19. I wanted to take just a few moments of your time to share some of the new fiscal, health, and supply resources that you might find most useful at this time. And of course, if you have other questions or need technical assistance or are looking for a specific document or resource, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to support. You can email me directly at ebucher@azaeyc.org. When you first log into your AZ Toolkit membership login, you'll notice there's a new banner here on the main dashboard page. This is the best place to go for up-to-date information and resources related to COVID-19, and specifically guidance for childcare providers. On your main dashboard, you can click Learn More, and I'd like to take you through a few things that you may want to be aware of as we're approaching this situation together. When you click on Learn More, there are a few pop-up tabs here. This section explores all of the resources you might want to become familiar with related to coronavirus 19. There's a section on posters, specifically posters that might be helpful in communicating to families your awareness of the issue and your health and hygiene practices and precautions that can be taken to prevent the spread of disease. Hand washing resources, and then reference and informational sheets. So let's first take a moment to click on this first link. And this will bring you to a section with quite a few both national and worldwide resources that could help you as you approach this situation. There's an emerging map that continues to update and show the spread and containment in the US and around the world. There are some recommendations for cleaning and disinfecting, as well as chemical safety. Handouts around how to talk to children about COVID-19 and what to do if a staff member or a child is sick. Some posters related to hygiene and health practices. And then some videos here that might be helpful to share with staff or with families to reinforce your business protocols and your procedures for managing infectious disease as an early learning provider. Not only are these resources accessible from your main dashboard page, but you can also access them by clicking on the Successful Program Management tab, going to Health and Safety, or Nutrition, Health, and Safety, Health, and then specifically health concerns. And this will bring you to that same page we were just on. There's also information about some common conditions and asthma that could also be helpful in taking care of young children. We've also provided some fiscal and financial planning resources that could also be helpful in keeping your program successfully operating. There's two places I want to show you. The first is under Financial Management, under Successful Program Management. Financial Management. It'll bring you to a page with quite a few resources that may be helpful. There are budgeting tools, information about business credits, and how to plan and forecast a budget, as well as some best practices and reporting practices for finances. We also want to remind you that under the Saving Money tab, there are resources related to child care materials, supplies, insurance, payroll expenses, and technology and child care management systems that could help save you a little bit of money as you're preparing and implementing services to support children and families in these hard times. Specifically, there's all savings programs, which have all of the resources that might be available in terms of discounts for childcare supplies, for medical materials, for gloves, for diapers, childcare insurance, those kinds of pieces. You can calculate what your savings might be as a program depending on your size and how many staff and children that you have and serve. And then we have local savings specific to Arizona here that could be helpful in planning some local discounts, and continue to check back as necessary. We will continue to keep this site as up-to-date as possible. Please feel free, again, to reach out to us. We're all here to support each other, and we're in this together. So if you have other questions or ideas or need specific resources, again, reach out to our team and we'd be happy to support. We do wish you very well, and we'll hope to talk with you soon. Thank you.